guys, we are back to APM. Let's just be normal. Let's get a camper. We might need the camper. Do it right there. All the YouTubers that's watching, you guys know I'm baking here on the game. It's because I have a lot of other characters. I always play a lot of games on Roblox. So you might be asking why I'm playing Roblox. Roblox is a good game. This is better for all you to learn how to play Roblox. All the YouTubers that's watching, please like and subscribe. Let me get this. Guys, you might be wondering what I need. Guys, you might be wondering why I have that. It's only going to be a camping video clip. So the video is not going to take too long. It'll be long. Just gonna no. This is the end. I just wanted to make a voice review to start YouTube. Stay fun and